Right, fetching you all back in on TR4. We timed up. So we're all timed up. Everything's at where it should be, doing what it should do. All those dots, everything. Tensioner's doing job. Obviously I'll paint timing cover, but I'll just leave it off foot timing while I'm messing. I've just been making some different spaces because 1/2 inches are a bit tight on these. So that's them set up. So I'll get some liners Loctited up and we'll get them in and sorted out, and hopefully we'll have liners in and then leave them setting. So I'll pull you all back in shortly. Thanks a lot. Right, everybody, that's liners in TR4, so we're all set. Everything's as near as damn it tolerances, so I'm going to be happy with that. So I'll show you other side. In fact, I'll let me have a bit of water on. I want a tripod, so it may just make it a little bit awkward, but I can show you. Right, do a bit of a beam in. There you go. See, all them on my brackets that I made for it. Everything's doing what it's so. I'm going to obviously TDC it, obviously to set timing. And but I'll show you the other side of it. So just leave her there a minute and let me lock her over for you. Let me spin you over and I'll manage. So all capped up, everything lugged over, everything to torque, everything sweet. So that's your short motor just about there. Like I say, I'm going to TDC number 1 now. I'm presuming it'd be number 1. Well, I always work off number 1 anyway. And pull it back, and then we're on we're going in the right direction. We're ready for dizzying. Bit of a struggle. Shows you can manage it on your own if you want to. If you want to look like somebody in Viz catalogue, Viz magazine, Viz comics, should I say. I'll let you guess who I'm referring to. So catch up with you all shortly. Pull it to number 1 to TEC, and we're sorted. Cheers. Right, I'm just carrying on building this TR4 engine. I'm just going to show you timing on this. No doubt you can see here. You see this little tool fart here, which is Woodruff key foot shaft down for your oil pump. And that mark, this top corner here, that to your left-hand side, that needs to face number 1. So we'll drop that shaft down there, go down there, turn on. That's exactly it. Your Woodruff tooth there, that's at number 1. That's in. That's that bit done. And what we'll do here, I've just put a bit of paint on. I put a bit of, well seal around this gasket just as a safeguard, belt and bracer, drop that on, slip that down, wriggle her about a bit. There we go. Nuts on. Come on. I'm like, it's still a bit wet actually, a bit tacky this because I missed it. I've got a bit of touching up to do on block and that. Oh well. I'll just nip that up. I'll fetch you back in. I'm going to spin it over, put oil pump on, show you what crack is now. So that's now ready. Obviously we'll tighten it up and that's now ready. That's dizzy sorted. And then I'll just do pump and which you can see here. I mean, it's fuel pump to go on, other bits and pieces. I'm just trying to get you the video up on this TR4 because I'm going to build it as a short motor, leave me clamps on top, get it in, new clutch in it, and it'll be a lot easier. It's just be a lot lighter, a lot more manoeuvrable. Plus that, because I didn't put gearbox out with it, so, and then that'll be something else out of the way. Catch up with you shortly. Cheers. Just adding this bit in on TR4. Right, oil pump's back on. Obviously, you've got to locate your shaft. Make sure you click it on. You'll not get it on otherwise, to be quite honest. So everything will be working, done, dusted. And you've also got a gasket in here. So whatever you do, make sure you get your gasket, because without that there, it'll probably not pick up. You'll probably not get your vacuum to let your pump do the job. And your filter only goes on one way, so obviously make sure you fully cleaned it and all that, and you're sorted. So I'll get gasketed up now, and I'll get Sump on, and then we're practically there with a short motor. So I'll pull you in as and when I need you. Alright, cheers. Right, just fetch you back in. I'm just on last few talks of this Sump's on. So only 18, 20 note on it really. You know, good gasket on, plenty of sealer. So I'll just go around everything. Oops, lost me. There. I'll get an oil filter for it, clutch. And then we'll have oil filter on. I've put gravy pipe on down here. Drop down because they're all an awkward sod when you're not doing them, so I think they're there. Quick white round, spin it over. Fuel pump on. That'll do. So we have a short motor. Right, I'll do something and chuck it on there for you. Onto YouTube. Cheers. Right, everybody, we've got a short motor. Do a quick look round. Touch paint up, sorted it out. So we're waiting on a clutch. What else are we waiting? Oh, an oil filter. And then short motor in, make it easier for me, link up to the box. Just how I like to do it. Everybody's got their own preference. You obviously seen all in there, you see everything's sweet. And then that'll be it. So that'll be in. I mean, I'm going to tidy up the engine bay now. So like I said, I'm waiting for clutch, oil filter, and we'll keep you posted. And we'll have it bob back in and then put head on. Then you can see head go on, but everything's as it should be. They look quite impressive actually with spacers on and old down brackets. So, but you can work on them if they're on. Don't matter, turn them or do whatever you want. So job's good. Give us a like, you like video anyway, and subscribe to the channel you want to see stuff like this, and pass a comment you want to know. It's 1960 TR4, and it's going back together after being sat idle on a stalled restoration for years. Cheers.